Understanding Production Meeting, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of workplace terminology, specifically the phrase, production meeting. This term is essential in various industries, especially in media, film, and manufacturing. By the end of this video, you'll understand what a production meeting involves and why it's crucial for successful project outcomes. Let's get started. A production meeting is a gathering of team members who are involved in the creation of a product or project. This meeting serves as a platform for discussing the project's status, challenges, and next steps. It's where planning, problem-solving, and coordination of activities occur to ensure that the production process runs smoothly and efficiently. In a production meeting, various stakeholders come together. These include project managers, department heads, technical experts, and sometimes clients or investors. Each participant plays a crucial role, offering insights and updates related to their area of expertise. This collaborative environment is vital for addressing concerns and aligning the team's efforts towards common goals. During a production meeting, several important topics are typically covered. Project timelines and deadlines to ensure the project stays on track. Budget concerns, addressing any financial issues that might impact production. Resource allocation, discussing the distribution of materials and workforce. Quality control measures to maintain the project's standards. Risk management, identifying potential problems and developing strategies to mitigate them. These discussions are essential for proactive problem-solving and efficient project management. Production meetings are not just formalities. They are critical for the success of any project. They ensure that every team member is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and inefficiencies. Furthermore, these meetings foster a sense of teamwork and collaboration, as everyone works towards a shared vision. Regular production meetings can significantly improve productivity and project outcomes. I hope this video has shed some light on what production meetings are and why they're such an integral part of the project management process. Whether you're planning a film, a new product launch, or any other collaborative project, understanding the dynamics and purpose of production meetings can greatly enhance your team's effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, mastering terms like production meeting not only expands your English vocabulary but also prepares you for real-world professional environments. Keep learning, and you'll continue to grow both personally and professionally. Goodbye for now.